Hello guys, I'm Sunny from SK Fitness. So this week exercise is a shoulder push-up. Some people also know this exercise as a pike push-up. So this exercise is perfect for building strength, stamina as well as make big deltoid muscle and stability necessary to perform handstand push-up later on. So let's get started. So guys, first of all, open your arms equal to your shoulder and place your legs on the third step. Just now easily move your head towards the bottom and then bring it up again. When you come up, you will feel the pressure of the entire body falling on your shoulder. I am using foot stairs here because with this we get a 90-degree upper body angle without doing handstand push-ups. That puts full pressure at shoulder. One can do this exercise daily or at least 3 times a week. I always recommend at least 3 sets a day because the more you do, the best results you will get. So stay tuned guys, we'll try to meet you next week. Thanks for watching video and please don't forget to subscribe our channel.